If you have a mobile phone or a laptop, you can literally run this entire business model, or it could be a part-time side hustle, depending on how much effort you want to put into this, from anywhere in the world. And anybody can do this online. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can scale up to $200 plus per day with this amazing autopilot traffic method. This is going to be something really new, something really valuable. But in the beginning, this will take some time and effort. So I'm not saying that you're going to be earning $200 from tonight automatically already. It will take some time to set this up and a little bit of effort. But I'm going to reveal all this goldmine and gem of information to you so you can get started with this and scale very quickly, as I'm going to give you access to a couple of important tools that will help you and boost you as well. And then some important concepts to understand throughout this video is content and volume. So remember these two concepts throughout this video, as I'm going to explain to you how you can use these two concepts to really grow a full-on business and a sustainable income online with this method. But guys, my name is Jay and I create videos on this channel on how to make money online, how to build online websites, sales funnels, how to build online businesses and build an online income, as well as grow your online presence and your online brand by growing your traffic and social media pages. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so I can send you a message every time I upload an amazing video just like this one, as well as join my private Facebook group down below where I post exclusive content and behind the scenes of my channel. But if you're ready for this value pack video, let's get straight into it. And guys, we are right here on Google, and before we get into this, I quickly want to say that I'd love it if you guys could watch this video until the end, because I'd really love it if you guys can take action with this method, because I really want you guys to get results with this, as I think something like this is very powerful. This is not going to be one of those quick and easy websites to make a couple of cents online. This is a full-on business model that you can scale, which I really like about this method. So we're going to be using multiple platforms for this method. And the first platform, we're going to be using one social media platform at Instagram.com. And I'm also going to show you a platform and some tools along the way that will help you completely automate this, and you don't even need to do any of the work yourself. And this is going to be something completely different with a brand new niche, brand new products. We're not just going to be posting viral content. We're not just going to be spamming affiliate links on various different pages on the comments and that. We're going to be doing something completely brand new. So what you'll need to do, guys, is you'll need to create a brand new Instagram account in the make money online niche, like I've done right here. You can see right here I've created this page here called Millionaire Mindset Money, Make Money Online 2020. I actually tried to name it Millionaire Mindset How to Make Money Online, but the name was too long, so they wouldn't accept that. So you need to create an account, obviously with the username related to Make Money Online. So it could be Make Money Online 2020, it could be Earn Passive Income Online, whatever you want your page name to be, make sure it's related to the Make Money Online niche. And you'll see right here, I actually created the account the other day and I was just messing around with it on social media. I haven't even posted yet and I already got 17 followers by literally just commenting on other couple of pages. And I haven't even posted yet and 17 people have followed me already. And then in the bio of your page, you want to type something related to what you're offering. So in my case, I put here business, free training, coaching, as I'm going to be providing free coaching. Not myself, I've got people doing it for me, as the affiliate offers that we're going to have already includes free coaching. We are literally just the man in the middle. So we're not doing any of the hard work. We don't need to create the courses or the content ourselves. It's already there. We're just acting as the man in the middle and we're going to earn commissions for that. And then for the call to action right here, the link, we are going to paste one URL right here that will lead to actually a couple of offers where we can actually maybe even get 4 times the amount of affiliate revenue, because I'm going to show you how to build a brand new landing page with this new tool that I'm going to show you. You don't need to go buy hosting. You don't need to go purchase or install WordPress and do all that complicated stuff. This drag and drop builder is already right here on the internet for free. You literally just sign in with your email and password and you can access it, and you get a free domain, which is amazing. And you'll see right here, I'll show you a couple of other pages doing this as well. So this is a page right here in the diet niche, and they literally say provides you with the most nutritious solutions. They are literally reposting content of famous or very good dishes, healthy dishes that will help people lose weight. And they've actually got a link here that leads to one of their affiliate offers where they probably earn commissions on it on a daily basis, as they got 11,000 followers. The engagement's not the greatest, but I mean, something like another page like this, Diet Detox, 7,000 followers, they're getting 500 plus likes, 1,000 likes per photo, which is really good engagement. You can see they got an affiliate link here. It's obviously a different language. And then this one right here is also a very good example. Diet Strategy, 185k followers. They're literally posting content, gym, how to lose weight, different diets. You You can see right here different plans, meal plans, etc. And they've actually got an affiliate link to a landing page that leads to an affiliate link with like personal coaching. Okay, yeah, they stayed for not free, but we are actually going to be offering free training. I'm going to show you one of the specific offers where people will get free training, and that's why I think people will follow your page a lot, simply because you're giving free training. Remember, the best way to grow is to provide free stuff, because you want to provide free value to your audience, because they're going to send you love in return. So you'll see right here, if I click on their link, it will take me to a landing page that looks like this. So they've got personal coaching, free step-by-step fast loss messenger via messenger, YouTube channel, and obviously some sort of course. So they're promoting various different things on the same landing page, which is really amazing. So this page basically acts as like a kind of like a store, like an online store where people can choose the various different products. So yeah, they've got free video content. They actually can get private chat via Facebook Messenger to get help on whatever the problem is when it comes to losing weight, and then personal coaching, which is probably an entire course, and they state here not for free, so they're very transparent about that. And then this right here, I see this is a link to another Instagram page that they obviously have. And if you follow with me with this method, there will come a stage where you can send thousands of people to a page like this. But let's now go and build a page just like this in the make money online niche. So I'm going to head over to a website called builderall.com, which is an amazing business tool. You'll see right here, if I head over to the plans, you can build sales funnels, you can build membership areas, domains, checkouts, etc., website sharing, there's responsive email marketing, there's CRM, ebooks, you can build SMS tools, professional website. There's so many different tools that you can get with something like this. You even get Facebook and YouTube live streaming, buildable, drag and drop builders, and you can see right here they actually have a free plan. The only thing you won't get is you won't get any email marketing. So this one will be very difficult to convert with high ticket offers. So something like the Builderall plan at $19.90, you can already start with email marketing and actually get high ticket sales. But I'll leave a link down in the description below to the free plan. It is my affiliate offer. So if you do go and upgrade to one of the paid plans, I will get a commission for that. So I really appreciate that. But for now, I suggest the free plan. It's free and easy to start. It's all you need for this strategy. You need to just click on start now, sign up with your email and password and probably your address as well. Then we need to head over to office.builderall.com once our plan is finalized, and we can go and access our drag and drop builder. So you'll see right here on your office, you'll have the cheated drag and drop website builder. You want to click on the enter button so we can go build our page. On this page, we need to click on create new website. Title, we can just have affiliate store, for example. We don't need to add anything fancy. We can select a template if you like as well, or we can just build a blank template. I'm just going to use a blank template and create this from scratch. And you'll see right here, I can now got my unpublished affiliate source. I'm going to click on edit website and build this landing page quickly. And you'll see right here, we just need one page. We don't need a lot of pages. It just acts as a landing page or like a mini store for now. And you'll see right here, you can actually add a couple of elements here on the right. You've got add panels, you can add elements. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a couple of pictures and buttons to my various offers. And you'll see right here, if you come over to the add tab and you come over to panel, you'll see there's a section here that says first fold or business banners. There's different blocks. It's like a full block lead magnets. There's call to actions. There's various different checkout banners. So I'm just going to use this one right here, first fold. And there's actually quite a nice one that I like already. This one over here that I'm going to add to my, as like a template. You can write a title here. So I'm just going to put here, make money online 2020, for example. I'm just going to bring this all down a bit. This button I'm going to lower a little bit. Same with this one right here. Register now. We can add something like, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this button. You'll see right here there's a clone button. I'm going to clone this 4 times as we are going to have 4 various different offers. So there we go. You can see right here I've created like 4 buttons that's going to lead to 4 various different offers. So now that I've got kind of our landing page designed, what I needed to go do is we need to go and find 4 products right now. So in this page, I'm going to include 1 low ticket sale item, 1 high ticket sale item, and 2 more or less in the middle in between. I'm going to come over to the settings tab, headlines, and I'm going to type here free training video. Then I'm going to have here on this register button, we can have here the tool I use to go viral on YouTube. Then what you can do is you can also type on this second or third button, you can put your free Facebook, or let's go FB Messenger, sorry, make money online help. And then for the third button, we can include a course, let's say on drop shipping. So then I'm going to just put your drop shipping training. Now that we've got our landing page, let's first go and find the course for this free training video. So I'm going to use 3 main websites of affiliate websites. I'm going to include 3 of them. One's going to be clickbank.com, the other one's going to be warriorplus.com, and the other one's going to be jvzoo.com. So for those of you who can't sign up on ClickBank, you can use Warrior Plus and JVZoo as well. So the first one I'm going to use, I'm going to click on the affiliate marketplace on clickbank.com, which is the #1 affiliate marketplace in the world. And you'll see right here on the categories page of the affiliate marketplace, they've got various different categories. I'm going to use e-business and marketing. I'm going to come down here. If I filter by gravity, which is the top selling products, you'll see right here one of my favorite affiliate marketing products is this one right here, the Super Affiliate System by John Crestani's Auto Webinar Funnel. It's basically an entire course on how to build a full-on affiliate marketing business, how to monetize yourself online, and he actually has a free training video right here, which is what we are going to leverage to get sales with this product. So you'll see right here, if I click on promote, I'm going to click on that and I'm going to type in my account nickname. And then for tracking ID, we can just put in Instagram. For example, generate hop links. We can then copy this hop link. We can come over to bits.ly just to shorten this and also track the amount of clicks it gets, which is really handy. So I'm going to click on create. I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to click on create and you'll see right here my little short links here. I can copy that. I can come back to my builder page here. You'll see over here there is a set link button. Click on that. A tab like this will pop up. You can paste your URL here and click on open in a new tab and click on save. And then for dropshipping training, we can come over to a place like warriorplus.com. I'm going to head over to my dashboard. This is a worldwide website. You can create your account for free. You'll see right here if I come over to the marketplace, let's go home. There will be a search bar and I'm just going to type here drop shipping, for example, drop shipping. We can then click on search and you'll see right here there's actually a landing page here with a video. This course only costs $7.49. You'll get a couple of commissions from this sale, which is really good. It's a low ticket selling item, so this is something that will sell a lot and very quickly because it doesn't cost a lot. So it teaches people how to dropship with WordPress. So this is a product I'm going to use right here on warriorplus.com right here called Dropship Monster. So what you can then do is you can click over here, request your link so you can get your Warrior Plus affiliate link. You need to request that. It may take a day or two to get that link. Once that's done, the link will look something similar to this, like this, that you can copy and come over to bit.ly and create a short link as well. You can then come back to your landing page over here, click on the dropshipping training. You can add a link here as well, set link. We can paste this URL right here, click on save. And then for the tool that I use to go viral on YouTube is actually a ClickBank product that I use called Video Marketing Blaster, which is also a low ticket selling item. You'll see right here, you're going to get $21 per sale. So same thing right here, click on promote. You can go generate hop links, copy this. You can come back to your your page builder over here. Click on this button as well and add this link as well to your button. And then for the free FB Messenger Make Money Online Hub, you can just link your Facebook page if you want to, where people can message you personally. What I'm going to do is then I'm going to click on save and save this page. Then you'll see right here, you'll say, do you want to publish this website? Click on that's fine, so it can go public. Once that's done, you can click on here, go to the website, and here's your free domain right here. It doesn't need to be anything fancy. You can use a bit.ly link as well. And you'll see right here, this is what this page looks like. So you'll see right here, if I click on free training, it will take me to the free training page. This is the high ticket selling item. Same with the tool I used to go viral on YouTube. It will take me to this landing page with free training as well. So what's nice about this, all of these offers have a free video with free training. So you're offering the people or the traffic free value as well. So you see right here, this is the tool for that. And then for the dropshipping training, if I click on this, it will take me to the Warrior Plus product. And then for the Facebook Messenger help, you can just link your Facebook page. Then what you want to do is you can literally come to the search bar or the address bar of your browser, copy this link, and I'm going to come to bit.ly, create a short link. You can create here, add this long link. I'm going to click on create and just edit the back half, and I'm going to go right here, make money online 2020 free training. Then I'm going to click on save. I can then copy this bit.ly link. If you want to up it a notch, what you can do is you can also get a full-on or a private .com domain that looks a lot more professional than a bit.ly.link, and you can actually get like something like Make Money Online or MillionaireMindsetMoney.com and add this as your website link and connect that to Builder. So you'll see right here, once that's done, I click on my profile. I've got my bit.ly link. I'm going to click on that. It will then take me to this landing page through my bit.ly link, which is really good. So now people can have a look here. You can actually include a couple of videos on your landing page if you want to as well. So now what you can do is to actually grow your page. You can literally go to the hashtag niche called Make Money Online. on Instagram. So if you go to this hashtag, you can actually go through all the various different posts in this niche. So see right here, there's actually one with Gary Vaynerchuk. You can go and follow all of these pages. So you'll see right here, if I click on this page, you can see this guy is called the Business Coach. You can go and follow him, follow his page. Like if you see a nice post, go comment something like, hey, I love Gary V and listen to his podcast, for example, daily. And you'll see right here, once you post that, you don't need to post spam or anything, just post valuable comments. People will see the name of your comment or the name of your page called Make Money Online 2020, and people will naturally click on that because they're obviously interested in that niche because they're already following these other pages. I'm going to show you another tool right now that will actually automate all of this for you. And what you can also do is you are allowed to repost this kind of content. So you can go to Make Money Online pages, repost content or videos that have gone viral as long as you give them credits in the description and use a ton of hashtags as well. And literally, if you post once a day for an entire year, you'll probably see your life change with this method because you've got so much content, you've got so much volume coming to your page through all the content. Let's say your page, each post is getting maybe 20 views a day. Now you've got 300 posts on your page. It's 20 views times 300, which is about 6,000 views per day. Even if one of those people converts, that's like $500, $400 a day with that one free training video. And what you can do to automate this as well, you can come over to a website called postearly.com. They actually have a free plan, a basic plan, and a professional plan, and then a premium plan where you can connect up to 75 accounts. But let's say you spend $3 a month or $15 a month on something like this, up to 16 accounts. Let's imagine you create 16 accounts on Make Money Online with all these offers. You basically get a welcome DM. So when people follow you, this program Post Early automatically DMs your follower like welcome to the page. It's very personal. They like that. You get auto repost, so it will repost content on your page without you even having to repost. It'll do it for you. Mass story viewer, comment likers, auto follows, auto unfollows, auto like, auto comments. So all of this is going to get a ton of people with Post Early to your Instagram page. Just picture the long-term success you can get with something like this if you are consistent at this. So keep posting once a day for a year. Give it even maybe a couple of months and you might get a couple of sales already. And then this can eventually become $200, $500, even up to $1,000 per day on some of the bigger Make Money Online pages on Instagram. And they are scaling at large simply because Instagram's algorithm is like a snowball effect. Once you get 100 followers, you'll probably find you'll get to 1,000 followers much quicker. From 1,000 to 10,000 followers even quicker because the snowball keeps rolling. Key to this is not giving up after like a couple of weeks of posting and you're only getting like 10 likes a post. It takes some time, but even 10 likes a post is like, let's say you got 20 posts, 10 times 20 is what, 200 views a day on your post. That's one of those people converts a day. You're getting money daily through your affiliate links. So something like this really has a lot of potential. But guys, right here on the screen, you'll see I've got a couple of my best playlists and online courses right here free on YouTube. Choose one of these playlists, click Bank Money, drop servicing, etc. Go have a look at some of these videos. They will really help you out like they've helped me. But if you're interested in that kind of content, choose one of these up above and I'll see you there.